Best deals.
1. Pressure cooker. Is pressure locked for safety, like a jetliner door? It has a 4.06 mm new improved induction base and a superior pressure regulating system that controls pressure to a narrower, more efficient range, reduces sprouting of frothy foods and is easier to insert and remove. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Tawa. The hard anodized surface offers non-stick properties, making this dosa tawa ideal for low oil cooking. It allows dosas to be flipped easily without sticking, making cleanup quick and simple. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Lunch boxes. Crafted from premium quality stainless steel, they are built to last for years without rusting, staining, or retaining odors. The material ensures even heating in the microwave, so your food warms up quickly and consistently every time. The leak-proof lids create an airtight seal that keeps food fresh and prevents spills. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Momas Maker. Is made of high-quality environmentally friendly plastic. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Mop. Patented spin handle technology for effortless spinning of the mop whilst standing, without getting your hands in dirty water. Practical spin stop lever on the handle allows for adjusting the frequency of the spinning to reach the desired mop dampness. Easy to wipe in wavy lines thanks to its flat-lying, 360 degrees angle joint. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cookware. Have been made from high-quality food-grade aluminum and does not turn black even after repeated use. Is made in the traditional way to bring something extra beautiful to your dinner table and put the perfect finishing touch on an Indian meal. Easy to clean and wash, they have very exotic color. Highly durable and made of fine quality material makes this set long lasting. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Grill pan. They add iron to the food that makes food even healthier. They can last longer with proper seasoning and care. Tasty. Expect improved taste when cooking in cast iron grill pan. Chicken and veggies taste much better in cast iron grill pan. Pan is pre-seasoned with edible oil, so one can start cooking in it. However, before the initial use, a gentle wash is recommended. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Puttu maker. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking, which helps in preserving food nutrients. Healthier dishes, for show. Aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Perfect for daily use in urban lifestyle. Prevents burning of food up to 90%. Prevents food from sticking to the surface. So, no cleaning hassles. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Grill pan. Ideal for cooking uttapam, kebabs, chilla, crepes, pancakes and more. The exterior enamel coating is rust, chip and crack resistant. Vibrant color adds style to your kitchen. Handle stays comfortably cool on the stove top. Matte black enamel interior and the textured surface last a really long meal. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Frying pan. Durable 5-layer, Mafan, medical stone, coating for superior non-stick performance, minimal oil cooking and easy release. Flat bottom induction compatible pan works seamlessly on gas, electric, halogen and induction cooktops. Wooden grain or heat resistant handle ensures a secure, balanced grip. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Shelves holder. Hassle-free application with self-adhesive clips ensures a secure hold without damaging your surfaces. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Mat. Are designed to protect your dining table from hot dishes, ensuring a safe and elegant dining experience. The pack includes 3 star-shaped mats in small, medium, and large sizes. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Tadka pan. 3 layers of metals from base to rim. Scratch and rust resistant surface. No dents or bulging. Aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Perfect for daily use in urban lifestyle. Prevents burning of food up to 90%. Prevents food from sticking to the surface. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Towel holder. Innovative standing paper towel holder with an integrated 60 ml removable spray bottle, perfect for quick kitchen clean-ups, countertop spills, and everyday wiping needs. Equipped with a powerful suction base that sticks firmly to smooth surfaces like tiles, glass, marble, and wood. No drilling or tools required. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cotton Swab Storage Box. Has cool and unique design in the shape of sheep. It comes with a transparent body. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Oil Dispenser. Perfectly sized for everyday use, this 1000 ml oil dispenser reduces the need for frequent refills, making it a reliable oil container kitchen accessory. Equipped with a tight-fitting lid, this oil bottle for kitchen use keeps your oils fresh and protected from contaminants. Made from high-quality, food-grade plastic. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Drawer Organizers. Maximize drawer and closet space with this compact organizer, designed to make the most of small spaces. Keep your undergarments in perfect condition. Soft yet durable material prevents snagging and ensures lasting use. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Cheese Grater. Serves as an all-in-one solution for slicing, shredding, and grating. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's perfect for effortlessly handling everything from cheese to ginger and garlic in your kitchen. Crafted from premium stainless steel, ensuring lasting durability and efficiency in your kitchen. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Shelf. These are as handy in a kitchen as well as in bathroom, all it needs is a smooth surface to stick onto. Never falls off. High load bearing capacity of 5 kg. Comes with a provision to hang towel napkins, thus increasing its utility. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Tumbler. It comes with a secure lid closure that provides reliable protection against leakages. The tumbler attachment, which stays in place over the threaded lid. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Grinder. Features 40 precise grind levels with a smooth external adjustment ring. Just twist to instantly switch from a fine espresso grind to a coarse cold brew. No tools, no mess. Perfect for espresso, pour over, French press, or cold brew, all in one easy step. Its portable and compact design makes it ideal for travel. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Container. Crafted from pure borosilicate glass, this kitchen storage container offers superior durability and keeps your food items fresh for longer. Unlike plastic jars, it is non-toxic, BPA-free, and chemical-free, ensuring safe food storage. Its high-quality glass is resistant to temperature changes. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Cast iron tawa. Pre-seasoned interior and exterior with plant oil which allows direct contact of iron with food, thus leading to daily iron consumption. Food prepared in cast iron pre-seasoned dosa tawa will give the authentic traditional taste to your cooking. Indian cooking is always packed with flavors and cast iron helps to enhance those flavors. Tawa is suited for age-old home-style cooking and even for exotic foods. Prepare health meals for your family like the dosas, chillas, parathas, or something more indulgent like crepes and pancakes in the dosa tawa. Cast iron is very strong and sturdy. It will last you a lifetime. Indestructible cookware. It is most suitable for Indian old-style slow cooking, seals all the moisture for tender and aromatic food. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Table cover. This crystal clear table protector is completely transparent, allowing you to showcase the beauty of your tabletops. It also protects your furniture from scratches, scuffs, stains, spills, and damaged edges. Built to endure heat up to 81 degrees Celsius. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Basket. Made from double-layer 600D Oxford fabric with a pay coating, ensuring your laundry stays dry. Features soft grip, sturdy aluminum handles. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Baskets. With movable handles and perforations, water won't pile up in the basket, can be kept dry. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Butter dish. Ensures durability and strength, offering a stylish and reliable storage option. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Brush. Has long bristles to clean with ease. Can be used for floor cleaning and even the ceilings with the extendable rod. Sturdy plastic-coated rust-proof extendable rod. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Trash can. Motion sensor lid, provides hands-free operation, improving hygiene and reducing the spread of germs in any room. Waterproof design, ensures durability and reliability, making it perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and other damp environments. Hidden garbage bag keeps the trash out of sight. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Kadhai. It is slow to heat up, but once it is hot, it stays hot for long, and retains heat well. Foods that need higher temperatures will brown better, cook faster and crisper, and cook more evenly inside and out. Cast iron gets better with use. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Fry pan. Patented titanium-infused enamel coating offers superior durability, enhanced stick resistance, and a lasting finish that stands up to everyday use. Pan blends international design excellence with everyday Indian cooking needs. From tadkas and gravies to omelets and shallow frying, the pan feels intuitive, balanced, and built for daily use. This non-toxic pan is BIS certified and SGS tested, undergoing 40+ safety and quality checks to ensure consistent performance and reliability. The ceramic non-stick coating is free from PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, lead, and cadmium, no forever chemicals, no hidden nasties. Cook with up to 75% less oil and enjoy healthier everyday cooking without compromising taste. The smooth ceramic coating ensures easy food release and even heat distribution for consistent results. Ideal for parathas, pancakes, omelets, stir-fries, and shallow frying. With 4-layer environment enamel-coated cast iron, it resists rust, handles high heat daily use, and maintains its stunning finish for years to come. Durable, non-reactive, and evenly distributes heat for healthier, hassle-free cooking. This makes it safer and healthier to use than traditional non-stick cookware, which may contain harmful chemicals. This cookware is ultra-conductive and corrosion-resistant. Its granite coating and flat, thick skillet bottom offer exceptional heat distribution to ensure even cooking and prevent hot spots. Overall, this cookware offers quick heating, thus using less energy. Cook a variety of healthy, delicious recipes for Indian households using this non-stick cookware set from Amazon Basics. It requires very little oil and cooks evenly and quickly without using much power. Food particles are less likely to stick to the surface of the non-stick coating, making this cookware easy to clean. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Steamer. Simplify your meal prep and save precious time with the ability to boil, cook, and steam using just one appliance, perfect for busy moms like you. With 600 watts of power, the electric kettle-cum-cooker heats up rapidly, allowing you to prepare delicious meals quickly and giving you more time to focus on other important tasks. The steaming function locks in nutrients in vegetables and other foods, ensuring you can provide your loved ones the healthiest and most nutritious meals possible. The stainless steel inner and removable trays make cleaning up a breeze, giving you more time to relax and enjoy quality moments with your family after a delicious meal. No need to buy additional accessories for various cooking tasks, as the included steamer for momos and vegetables and boiler trays for idli and eggs make this a convenient and cost-effective solution for busy moms like you. Fry eggs with minimal oil. Sauté vegetables for upma. Scramble breakfast without butter sticking everywhere. Make golden poha without it cementing to the bottom. Cook Maggi without burnt noodles glued on. Even reheat rice or dal without creating stuck-on disasters. The 1000 ml non-stick interior with 600 W power gives your restaurant quality cooking anywhere, hotel rooms, train compartments, office pantries, or your own AC bedroom. Perfect for traveling families who need real cooked meals, not just boiled water. Automatic power off when water boils means you can start cooking and walk away to handle the baby, help with homework. The kettle turns itself off safely. Boil dry protection ensures it won't operate without water, preventing accidents even when distracted. No need to stand and watch, essential safety for busy households with curious toddlers, giving you peace of mind during chaotic mornings. Boil water, prepare instant meals, or use the included egg tray to boil up to 7 eggs simultaneously for quick and convenient cooking. Durable stainless steel build, food grade 304 stainless steel body with matte finish, detachable glass lid, wide mouth design, and concealed heating element for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. Equipped with auto cutoff, dry boil protection, overheat safety, double protection controller, and high-quality thermostat for safe and reliable performance. Product link is given in the 30-second link.